You told me previously you could read a, like, I don't know, 60-page report within seconds,
So,
essentially, because of
so,
your photographic memory.
so part of it is dyslexics are lazy to read.
Ah.
So we learn to pick up important things with very few words in a paragraph. So we can't do those comprehension exams where they tell you quote out of a text because we've read the paragraph, we've already analyzed it, we've taken out the 3 words that's going to tell you if it's good or bad. Now you're telling me to quote the text.
Where am I going to find them?
Exactly. So I
Yeah.
can summarize something for you very quickly. So you're basically almost learning like you call it speed reading. So you're not getting taught to do speed reading. Your brain is doing speed reading
For you, which is
for
an
you.
advantage.
It helped me
Yeah.
like in my MBA. It was
So you didn't go through the torture and the stress of doing an MBA thanks to your brain, right?
because when you're doing your MBA, you're getting through a textbook in a week.
Yeah.
And you got to pick up what are important things. So you